today's video, I'll show you how to add a course on Udemy quickly and easily. If you want to share your skills with a global audience, this is the simplest way to get started. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Udemy. Click the official website, then log in using the button at the top right. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before continuing. Once you are logged in, look toward the top of the page for the option that says Teach on Udemy. Select it and then click the Get Started button. This will open the main creator panel where you can begin setting up your course. Next, select Create Course. Udemy will ask what type of course you want to build. You can choose a standard course or a practice test. Pick the one that matches your teaching plan. You will now be asked to add your course title. Keep it clear, appealing, and relevant to what you plan to teach. Right below that, choose the category that best fits your subject. This helps Udemy place your course where students can easily find it. After that, Udemy will ask how much time you can commit to creating your course each week. Answer honestly, as this helps you plan your workflow. Udemy will then show you a course creation structure with helpful tools and progress indicators to guide you through the process. Once you have added the basic information and reviewed everything carefully, click the Save button. And that's it. You have completed the initial setup for your Udemy course, and you're now ready to start uploading lessons, videos, and course material. You're officially on your way to becoming a Udemy instructor. Enjoy the process and good luck.